Incoming device, the iPhone 7 Plus, black in color, rear camera design crack, front camera design appears, struck by any cracks taking the bottom device. These bottom two screws are present. Charging port is sitting snug for incoming charge current 1.60 amperes. The power button, volume buttons, volume rocker, and home button and touch ID do give smooth feedback to 67% Verizon LTE device. Even though the bottom right hand, bottom left hand, upper left hand corners are cracked spidering out, the touch does.
How much is your older iPhones?
Hey, how you been doing?
The touch in the upper right hand corner.
What are you running?
That's the iPhone 5.
Oh, no, I was just reading.
The left hand, central,
worked with it before, but I wanted
3 and 6 do not work. Everything else in this area works. The touch has failed on the side. So we'll go and take a look at the parts cost, see how much it would be for their price.